You have customers. Show them to a table.
Hi.
Hi. I want to order some food, please.
What's good here?
I'll have a cup of coffee.
I'll have a sandwich.
This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Get ready to grind some coffee beans. Turn the lever to see what happens. Look, it's turned into powder. Heat it up a little bit more. There are many coffee cups. I'll pick one. It smells sweet. Lastly, decorate it nicely. Awesome. Fragrant coffee is done. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Bake the bread first. Wow, mayonnaise is my favorite. These are full of fresh ingredients. Lettuce, bacon, tomato, bacon, lettuce, tomato. What a delicious sandwich! Here's your order. Sandwich, coffee. Welcome to our cafe. You have customers. Show them to a table.
Hi.
It's really delicious.
It's the best. Here's a coin.
Hi, I want to order some food, please.
What kind of desserts do you have? I want to have some cookies.
I want to have a donut. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Roll out the dough together. Choose your favorite shape. Wow! Earning gold coins can get new things. Oh yeah, Now you can put it in the oven. Use the space bar to see what happens. You've made sweet and crispy cookies. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Put the dough into the pan and fry it. Look, there are a lot of creams. Choose one you like. Green tea flavor. Strawberry flavor. Wow, earning gold coins can get new things. Grape flavor. Grape flavor. Top it with candy and it'll taste better. Wow, you've made a donut. Here's your order. Cookie! Donut! Cookie! Welcome to our cafe. You have customers. Show them to a table.
Hi.
Here's a coin.
You know how to make good food. Here's a coin. Hi, I want to order some food, please.
I'm so hungry. What kind of food do you have?
I'll have some fruit juice.
I'll have a cake.
This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Mix the ingredients first. Awesome! Now pour them into the mold. Oh yeah, now you can put it in the oven. Which cream do you like best? Chocolate flavor. Our delicious cake is done. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. What fruit juice do you want to make? minds can get new things. Watermelon. Watermelon. I can't wait to make some fruit juice. Whoa, the fruit juice is done. With ice, it'll taste even better. The delicious fruit juice is done. Here's your order. Fruit juice cake. Welcome to our cafe. You have customers. Show them to a table. Hi.
It's the best.
It's really delicious. Here's a coin.